you. I saw you on YouTube.
I told you.
How long have you been doing it for? You're a pro.
Like 3 years.
Here's my life for this.
Olivia, it's going on the wall forever. She's risking her life for you, Olivia.
I tell everybody when I come up now, I'm like, this is how work is done.
What do you say, Olivia?